Alright guys, we're moving over here. Nice little perch, let's go. These are our holes. Alright dude, let's move.
I try to play them as long as possible.
Oh my god!
Alright. Jake buddy, reel that up a little bit so it's out of the water. We're gonna move over there, okay? You hear me, buddy? Alright, reel that up until it's out of the water, baby. Yeah, we're gonna move.
You that all by yourself? Yeah, he's not too fast though. He's gonna go past there because
Now Daddy's gonna take his glove off and freeze to death.
actually no, you know what? These gloves are perfect and they warm up to the temperature.
Oh, nice. You want your daughter right behind you?
I want my daughter right in that hole.
Right in that hole?
Yeah, I want to
Athena, baby, come here.
watch that hole. Use yours. It's a little tilted, that's why I move. Move over a couple.
I'll put you right next to her, right next to Catherine, so you can talk to her. One body being angled, my brother. Come over here, buddy. Don't lean towards your back. What I keep telling you.
Some in mine too.
Okay, I'll put some in yours. Jake, pull up on your pole. Feel heavy? No? Things right behind you. When it empties up, we can fill it with yours. If we have to, we'll make more hot cocoa out here. I just got everything I need. Sure, we have our backs towards the wind. Athena, back towards the wind.
Turning. I hear my water turning into ice at my hole.
You need this?
There's a way.
Just be careful of your line, buddy.
Hey guys, you guys can have some donuts if you want. Okay.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
Where's those apple fruit ones?
They're in the car, damn it.
Damn it.
Also, we go for tomorrow.
Perfect. Whatever.
Dude, Gabby goes,
I already got
we
it.
took the full bag of Doritos after I told you that we had Doritos. I was like, she didn't. I opened it up right next to where I had the other one, and I hid these ones.
Yeah. I already got into them.
You did?
Yeah.
You. That's all I do. Oh, okay, that hole's open. I'm gonna come pick it up.
Make sure your bike's against the wind, buddy.
Out of this one hole right now.
Well, you should came and grab the camera.
I couldn't get it.
A ton of forward in. When me.
No, Tom Joey. So Joey will let you catch this one.
Wait, are you using the fish for that?
Yes, ma'am. This is my favorite Christmas one.
Please get another one. But if Athena gets her railing, I get to put it back in.
Might need more bait. You want to go and get my daddy's thing and get the little pucks that look with bait in them? By Daddy's fishing pole bag.
Daddy? Me?
Yep. Yes, baby. I knew we were right around here, dude. The beaver bit. Beaver pup. That's my landmark. Every time.
Yeah, that's true.
When hold on to him, we can.
What the fuck's going on?
I do not want to throw it
Mine's
in.
doing it too, man. It's spitting out extra line weirdly and not
I
dropping.
don't want to throw it in anymore.
Oh.
That means
Oh, I missed that one. I missed them.
that means we can. When Captain not want to throw it in, it's my turn to throw it in.
Yeah, I'm constantly beating out way extra line than I need to, and I gotta do it all over again. I just dropped it again. Oh, Athena fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right on. Reel it. Reel. Oh, that's a big one. Oh!
Good job.
All right, sweetie. Woohoo! Yay, here you go. Athena caught a pumpkin seed. Show
Let me
your
put
family
it-
a beautiful little pumpkin seed.
Let me put it back in.
Yeah, I knew this was our area right out here, dude.
Let me put it back in. No, me done.
You know, she can throw it. We're gonna.
Okay, let's go to the main area.
Yeah, I'm gonna sprig you up next. just sit there and you kind of just do this. Okay. Kind of, they call that jigging. Make sure you keep the line away from the side. Yeah, I got another one right here for you.
Is this hot turtle?
No. Oh, yeah, maybe.
That's really cool. We need to do it next to top then. We do it there. We top this.
No, your hole's gonna be over there, baby. Man, my fingers are so cold, oh cold. Where's my beach? Where's my beach? Once we find them, it's gonna be fun, because it's like non-stop. Alright, I think all my pucks are no good now. I gotta use your puck. Sometimes it does. No, go ahead. I was gonna drill a hole right in front here. You'll know, baby. Your pole will go down. You can't have your pole against the ice, though. Daddy's gotta go fish my hole. You got it. The jigging begin.
Jake, come here. Yeah, just
Let me put it in.
No, I just lost one.
No, it's here.
No, this is Jake's. Go back up to Jake. Bye.
And not my turn off the stage. Yeah.
Oh, the bad one? Yeah.
Jake, come here.
Jake, go over there. Go.
Me?
Oh, he's got a nice one. Oh, I think he spit it. Reel it. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it.
Oh yeah, he spit it.
Oh. Yeah. So, check the bait here. Oh, yeah. So that's plenty of bait.
I didn't have to.
That was a good one.
I'm gonna do it and paste it
Oh,
in.
you gotta get Jake on a fish.
I'm gonna paste
Oh,
it
Jake.
in.
Jake, come on. He's hooked good. Reel, 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 buddy. Reel, reel, reel. Pick that tail up. Reel, reel, reel. Oh, yeah, buddy.
Nice one, dude.
Nice
Hey,
one,
right
bud.
mine. This is
Nice.
right
Here, you get to
mine.
release your own
It
fish.
is mine. This.
Okay? Just make sure you right over the hole, buddy.
Good
Good job. I had one fly right back out of the hole.
And now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn with the catching, okay? Here, I'll let you catch it yourself.
Daddy, there's a bunch of ice in there.
Everyone's got one, right?
Hey, babe. No, not that way. That way.
Gotta get a fish.
I know. Not drawing.
Oh,
What? That is tip.
Pretty good.
Okay, come here, Casman. I'm gonna hold the pole, okay? And then just wait.
I can do it all on my own, and I can play
Here,
with
baby.
the
Here.
fish back.
Bang that thing.
reel it. Nice.
Reel it, Casman.
Joe. Double.
Stand up, stand up.
Don't
Away from the ice.
face funny.
Yes! Okay, stop reeling when you get out of the hole.
Doubled up.
Woo! They're like their dads, man, that's for sure.
My God.
It's fishing.
I got a person.
Nice job, cat.
All right, babe, let's get you back down in the water, huh?
Yeah. And my turn again because nobody can.
Feel the bump. There you go. Feel the tap. See? You feel that tap?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yep. Pull. You get him? Yep. Oh, you missed him. Okay, stop reeling. Stop reeling.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed him.
At least I almost got it.
Yep, you almost got him.
She could have been a different
Hold on.
one.
Okay, get to the ball. Get your ball set up. Okay. There. You already get it.
I'm gonna put mine in the water, and she's gonna put Tim's
Reel.
in the water.
Oh, nice. Stop reeling.
I'm gonna
Oh, third for Catherine.
We didn't show it to that.
We're gonna be lively. How many fish are got on this